In this video, I'll show you how to manage Facebook job posts, whether you want to delete a job post or apply for one. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. From there, tap on Jobs or use the search bar to find job posts shared on pages or in groups. If you see a job post that you want to apply for, open the post and carefully read the details. Many job posts include instructions on how to apply. Some ask you to comment on the post, while others ask you to send a message directly. To apply through a comment, tap Comment, write a short message showing your interest, and post it. If the post asks you to message the person, tap the profile or page name and select Message, then send a short introduction about yourself and your interest in the job. Now if you are the one who created the job post and want to remove it, open the post from your profile, page, or group. Tap the three dots on the top corner of the post and select Delete Post, then confirm the deletion. That's how you can manage Facebook job posts easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.